Let's make authentic Manglorean style Kori Sukka. Today I'm going to show you how to make delicious and flavorful Manglorean Kori Sukka. For this recipe we will need 10 to 12 dried red chilies, curry leaves, coriander seeds, cumin seeds, black pepper, fenugreek seeds and few whole garam masala spices. Next, take 1 bowl of freshly grated coconut oil, 1 whole tomato, green chilies, garlic, ginger and 1 onion. To balance the flavor, we'll also use a small piece of turmeric. Finally, we need 1 kg of chicken. Now place a pan on medium heat and add all the whole spices. Dry roast them until they become fragrant. Then add the grated coconut and continue roasting until everything turns a light golden brown, just as shown in this video. The roasted mixture will be for our Kori Sukka masala. In another pan, heat a little coconut oil and add the chopped onion, garlic, ginger and small piece of tamarind and a pinch of turmeric powder. Fry it until the onion turns soft and lightly golden color. Once both the roasted spices and onion mixture have cooled, grind them together into a smooth paste. Keep the masala aside while we prepare the chicken. Now heat the pan and add a little coconut oil and the freshly grated coconut. Roast it on a medium flame and stirring continuously until it turns a beautiful golden brown. Heat a pan and add a little coconut oil. Once the oil is hot, add a few slit green chilies, ginger, garlic, and saute them for a few seconds until they are aromatic. Add onion. Next, add the cleaned and washed chicken with tomatoes. Fry the chicken on a medium-high flame for about 5 to 7 minutes until it changes the color and is lightly browned. Once the chicken is lightly fried, it's ready for freshly ground masala in the next step. Now, let's add our freshly ground Kori Sukka masala to the fried chicken. Mix everything well so that the masala coats every piece of chicken beautifully, and a little water if needed, and let the chicken cook on medium flame until it becomes tender and absorb all amazing flavors from the masala. Allow it to boil slowly until the chicken is completely cooked and you can see the delicious oil releasing on the floating on the top. This separation of oil shows that our masala is perfectly cooked and the flavors have come together. The aroma at this stage is absolutely amazing. Now, for the final and most important touch, let's add the roasted coconut and sprinkle the golden roasted coconut generously on the top of the chicken and gently mix it with the masala so every piece gets coated beautifully. Finish it off with freshly chopped coriander leaves for a fresh aroma and a beautiful garnish. Serve it hot with neer dosa, rice, chapati or your favorite side dish.